Yeah, I mean, ultimately, at the end of the day, we have to understand that not every single agent is going to be producing 15, 20, 30 closings every single year, right? You'll have some that will do that, but you also have a majority of them that are going to do 2, 3, 4, 5 closings a year. That's pretty much it. But think about this, right? If you're on a 70-30 split, and we have a model here, we have several different models. On a 70-30 split, and our average commission check is $10,000. 70-30 split is $3,000 to the office. If that agent only does 4 transactions a year, 4, that's 1 transaction every 3 months. That's $12,000 to your office. That agent can choose to hang his license or her license with another brokerage, or you can take that agent, all right, and make $12,000 a year. And let's say, for example, that agent stays with you for 3 years. That's $36,000 to your office. This is an average agent, somebody who's not a high producing, high performer. This agent is not looking to build an empire. This agent wants to have a work-life balance. Maybe this is a part-time agent. Maybe this agent is not attending all of your trainings, all of your meetings, all of your masterminds, maybe not utilizing all of your tools or resources. But guess what? Every 3 months, that agent is averaging 1 transaction on the 70-30 split, where your office is getting $3,000 a month.